Good morning. Today is Wednesday, October 26th, and I entered here because this is a 50 area retracement from yesterday's high, and that was okay. Let's see how they're reacting here. Oops, I got filled with 3 instead of 2. I will reduce my boundary, take one out. $144 is ready to spill down. Oh, they took one of my boundaries and they pushed up again. Okay. I still think that they want to go up. I mean, they wanted to retrace down at this point. So let's see. Somehow I kept taking it out because my boundary was tight, and the highest was 725 even. But looks like they are pulling down. 144 is really spilling the MACDs down. 440 is also looking like that. There was a lot of separation on all of these charts. Even though they were on the rail, they need to release that pressure. Okay, let's measure the retracements. $23 could be the mid-band on 144. Or it's 23 from the previous pivot, but the MACDs are very, if you go from the bottom, then 23 is 721, which is another 3 points down, 2.5 points down. The market pulled down to that mid-band on 144. Right now, MACDs are still on the rail. $233 MACDs are also on the rail with some separation. 610 with a lot of separation going up the rail came back to the lower Bollinger Band, which could be possible support. 987 separation came back to the rail. He has a tendency to push up. Let's see, 5097, this pole needs a flag, and it should break and come down to the other Bollinger Band. There was no separation, so I expected that it should cut through. 4181 had like a second MACD on the rail, but it looks kind of bearish. It's underneath the zero line. Let's just put this one of these to the previous pivot. One of these contracts, bound targets. 233 is still pulling down. 377 is still pulling down. 610 also is having some momentum, grabbing on the rail already. This is still at 23. $144 is still on the side of the rail. It's not underneath. The bands are still pointing down. $233 as well. 377 is still on the rail. 610 also has some momentum going down. Okay. 610 is also it's about to flood the third MACD. Squeeze on 5097, which means the momentum is still to the downside. 141.81 is losing power. 144 is telling us that it doesn't have a bulge yet for a bounce. Okay, there is a little slowdown over here. I can take one out, and let's see how the market will react at this area. 23.38. Somehow we didn't have enough bounce off of 23, so I think I'm done for the day. I had about 300 gifts and 360 profit. So because it didn't bounce in 23, they might go into the deep before they continue down. But I actually see it as they will go down right now, and but I already closed the trade, so I'm done for the day. Thank you, Divine.